Hi guys, in this video you got all the information of Samsung S24 Ultra versus RedMagic 9 Pro Plus. Samsung S24 Ultra launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,099 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800. The weight of these devices, the Samsung S24 Ultra draws the weight 225 grams and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus 229 grams. The build, the Samsung S24 Ultra front and back is glass and the titanium frame, and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both devices come with dual SIM supported. Let's talk about the display of these devices. The Samsung S24 Ultra with dynamic AMOLED 2x16 color and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus with AMOLED display 1 billion colors. And the size of these devices screen is much similar. The resolution of these screens, the Samsung S24 Ultra with 2K resolution and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus 1116 by 2480 pixels. The PPI density is Samsung S24 Ultra 508 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus 400. The refresh rate of these devices is 120Hz. Screen to body ratio is same. And the screen protection of these mobiles, Samsung S24 Ultra with Gorilla Glass Victus 3 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And talk about the cameras of these devices, Samsung S24 Ultra had quad-core setup. The main camera 200 megapixel wide, the 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto and the 200 megapixel periscope telephoto. And 8K 30 fps video recording supported. And the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro. And it also record 8K 30 fps video record. And talk about their selfie cameras, the Samsung S24 Ultra with 40 megapixel and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus 16 megapixel. And come to the platform, the Samsung and RedMagic come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 and the chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor. And the GPU is Adreno 750. It's come with Android 14. Let's talk about their storage. The Samsung S24 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB and the RedMagic 12GB, 16GB and 24GB. And the storage of these mobiles come with 1TB storage. And it's not supported a SD micro SD card. And the batteries of these mobiles, Samsung had 5000 mAh battery and the RedMagic 5500 mAh battery. And the fast charging of Samsung S24 Ultra is 25 watt and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus had come 165 watt. And the wireless charging of Samsung S24 Ultra is 15 watt and the RedMagic had no wireless charging. It's come with 5G network. And the result of these mobiles, Samsung had 23 points and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus had 20 points.